Okay, we have Mr. Thompson, Mr. Hilkema here demonstrating the lab on conservation of momentum for those who miss it, and just in case something goes wrong. So just to show you the basic setup here, we're going to go through 3 different kinds of collisions. The first one is going to be inelastic, where we're going to slide this car across. It's going to look like this. It's just going to hit the other one, stick together, come out the other side. And then we're going to do an explosion in which they're going to just both start out in the middle and they're going to pop out sideways. And then the third one, we're going to push them in from both ends. They're going to bounce off of each other and then go back out through the photo gates. In all cases, the bluish green car is associated with the number 1 gate, and the gray car is associated with the number 2 gate. Notice the matching colors of the flags. The reason that's important is because the way that you're going to find out the speed of the cars is by determining how long it takes this little flag, which is 5 centimeters long, to travel through the photo gate. So if you know how long it takes the flag to travel through the photo gate, and you know how big the photo gate is, then the speed is just the distance divided by the time. More on that later. So we're just going to go ahead and collect all this data, and here we go. Notice that the gray car's initial velocity is at rest. Okay, so let me show you what this data looks like. I just have to put the see if I can get okay, it's a little glare on there. Just give me a second to get that fixed up. Okay, I think you might be able to see that. Why don't we just do this, and then you can take a picture of it, and we can just post the pictures.
Sounds good.
But I think you can probably see that anyway. And we'll explain what the blocked and unblocked means a little more in the directions, but essentially it just means that as the card first blocks the little sensor, it starts the timer, and then when it unblocks the sensor, it stops it. So that's really all there is to trial number 1. So we're going to give number 2 a try. Refocusing this on the cars. I think that looks pretty good. And so now we're going to do the explosion. You already have it set up?
Yep.
Okay, I just have to set the collect button going. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, anytime. That should be it. So notice that time both cars started out at rest in the middle, and then one of them shot off in one direction and one of them shot off in the other direction. So keep in mind when you're doing this that momentum is a vector quantity, and you have to make sure that you treat one way as negative and one way as positive all the way through. We haven't told you what the masses of the cars are yet, but we will do that. It's important to note that the blue car has no added masses, and the gray car has added masses. So, and that's going to stay the same for all parts of the lab. We'll tell you what those numbers are in a separate document. Okay, and then the third.
Show them the data too. And that's,
yep. No, I'll try to do the data again, see if it works.
Okay.
If it doesn't work, then we still have. Let's see if I can do this again.
I have it flipped. It should be over on the other side.
Gotcha. So anyway, so that you should be able to read that, I think. Let me just focus it again, make sure it's as focused as possible. So that was for, this is for the explosion. All right, and now we'll go to the last part. focus this again? First.
Both of them? You want to move these closer, you think?
Uh,
Keep them. I think that's fine.
That should be okay, I think. Now we can do it again. All right, so we have those. And then, so now these are both going to be moving, and then they're going to change direction. So make sure you consider what that means with the signs in your work. All right, we're going to give this a whirl.
Mhm.
I'm going to push mine a little faster than you push yours, I think.
Sounds good.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm not sure if mine left the gate.
Let's see. Your gate 2.
I am gate 2. Blocked, unblocked, blocked, unblocked. It looks
It
good.
should be okay.
Yep, we're good.
So then,
So this one, it's very important to pay attention to which one's gate 1, which one's gate 2.
all right, here we go. Let's see if I can show this to you. Such a way you can read it.
I think it's going to have to be turned over for sure.
This way, you mean?
I think, yep. Yeah, you can stick them in something.
Here, I'm getting there. Just be patient. Try it this way. Oh, that's
There you
better.
go.
That's better. So as Mr. Thompson was just saying, pay attention to which of the gates you have, because the one car is always going to be, the gray car is always going to be in the gate 2 column, and then the green car, blue car, is always going to be in the gate 1 column. Okay, so that should be good. All right, I think that's everything.
I think that is everything.
And again, we'll send you some information about the masses of the cars and anything else that we think of that we forgot. All right, we'll see you guys.